oh, it seems that prices drop, but it seems that prices has the tendency to range again. So not too much interesting. And I think all market could be offering us something that not a lot of people are watching carefully here. So let me watch and analyze with you guys together what's happening in this market. Okay, so one of the biggest things that has been happening since last night is we have been seeing that oil prices drop, but things started to slow down, and I think that is certainly a very positive sign. But one of the major differences that I've been telling you guys with how the oil market has been moving so far, the tendency for prices to drop is really huge, guys, especially with how things has been moving and possibly building up a potential bear flag. I'm expecting to see oil prices could be hitting below $60 on the long run, guys. Because one of the first things that we are watching closely is prices has been building up an uptrend, and that trend has been broken down immediately in just one day, and prices has been dropping really fast and really builds up the runway for prices to build up that bear flag. And across the time, we are still seeing that weaknesses are still appearing across the market. And if prices starts to break lower than the market barrier at $65.70 around here, 80 cents, there's a good chances we can see that all prices will be dropping even much further in this market, guys. So I think this is something worth paying attention to, because we have also been giving out trading ideas on our premium signal groups today on the oil market, and we have already been making some good profits and continuing. I'm seeing good chances for tonight. Maybe we could be seeing prices will be touching the low at $65 if prices continues to break down lower. So this is something really worth paying attention if you guys are watching carefully across the other markets, where gold market hasn't been moving a lot, silver market hasn't been moving a lot, but the only thing that has been moving in a much clearer trend for tonight is coming out from the oil market. And I think this is the market that you guys could take advantage and make some good moves, especially if prices breaks down below $65.80 on the short term. Okay, but what about the long-term view? It still remains intact. Unfortunately, it's still the same as prices has been dropping really fast, and good chances we are seeing that this downtrend movement is really huge. The momentum really shifted just in a matter of night and matter of hours, and it seems that the possibility that we are going to see that these continuations will be continuing is really huge, and we'll be testing the support at around $63, $60 at that target site. And if prices continues to drop down lower, I'm suspecting that we are going to see that this is a part of a false breakout coming out from the war, and we could be actually seeing that oil prices will be dropping eventually on the long run. Especially if the bear flag did really happen, we are actually seeing good chances that this could be the start where we could be seeing oil prices returning below $60 for this year once again, guys. So there's a huge chance for that to happen, and this could be one of the cases we are seeing one of it happening again for twice in the same year itself. After breaking down below, hitting back almost $80 and then dropping back below $60 once again. So there are the possibilities happening, and certainly support area around here will be also very key. Let us see how prices will be reacting towards those prices once it hits there. And certainly, like I said, bear flag is definitely in motion. Be careful as prices